Hey AVators, welcome back to the Crafterparty. It is your hostess with the mostest, me, AV. And I'm here to say cheers to summer. Only because we're in the house, and you should be. That doesn't mean we can't get a little festive with our glassware. This project, you only need 3 things. Now let's get this party started. I was 6, but 3 things. Birthdays were the worst days. Now we sip DIY small batch artisan cocktails when we thirsty. Another simple DIY in the books. This you can add to any glass, pitchers for lemonade, mason jars. It's up to you. What do you plan on adding razzle dazzle confetti to? Let me know in the comments, and until next time, keep the party going.